Okay, now listen to me. Jimmy Valentine was going to be released from the jail, from the prison. And
His
Warden,
name was, he changed his
this
name.
man is Warden, who is the caretaker over there, who is in charge of all the prisoners. He gave him advice that you will be going out in the morning, brace up and make a man of yourself. You are not a bad fellow at heart. Stop breaking safes and leave straight. So Warden gave him advice that after so many months, you are going to get, you are going to be free. So now, live honest life, live straight, and don't crack safes. Means stop that business of burglary and brace up. Means be courageous, be strong now, and make a man of yourself. Means be honest now. Then Jimmy acted like you all do. Sometimes the teacher scolds you in the class and you say that I have not done anything. Why are you scolding me? You know that?
Yes सर, क्लास में नहीं, ऑनलाइन में भी सब ऐसा करते हैं.
Yes. Why? I never cracked a safe in my life. See, कितना शरीफ बन रहा है वो.
Yes.
That in my life, I have never done anything wrong. I have never stolen anything, he says. So for so many months, why was he in prison? Without any reason. Then the warden
Yes,
started
the
laughing.
government is bad.
Yes. So warden started laughing. Oh no, of course not. Let's see now. How was it you happened to get sent up on that Springfield job? Means the warden asked him that if you had not done anything wrong, then why were you arrested? Why were you on that Springfield job? Means why were you in that wrong business of robbery? Then Jimmy again is acting very sharif, very innocent. Me? Why, warden? I never was in Springfield in my life. He said, in my life, I have never done anything like this. See, still he is not improving, right? Even after
Yes,
getting
अभी
what
भी
is
झूठ
told.
बोलना है.
Yes, this we have read, so I am explaining. Take him back, Cronin, said the warden to the guard. So Cronin was the name of that guard who was standing there beside the table. So warden told him that take this man back and give him his clothes, which he had worn when he was arrested. When the criminal is arrested, his clothes are changed. They are given a uniform of prison. And when they are released, after years or months, again the same clothes are given back to them. Do you know that? So,
Yes.
yes, warden said to the guard that fix him without glowing clothes, means give him his clothes back, and 7 in the morning, let him go, unlock him, 7 a.m. in the morning. And again, warden said to Jimmy Valentine, then please think over my advice. What was his advice? That be honest, live
You do
straight,
not break the safe. Be
yes,
honest
don't crack
and
the
be an
safe.
honest citizen.
Yes. But do you think he will obey?
Yes.
Let us see.
अच्छा होगा तो कर ले.
Yes. At quarter past 7 next morning. What is the time? Quarter past 7 means
सात.
10 minute digits.
क्वार्टर पास है 7 बजने के बाद आधा घंटा.
No, that is half past.
नहीं 15 मिनट.
Yes. 7:15. 1 5. So next morning, 7:15, Jimmy was standing in the outer office of warden. The clerk gave him two things. One was a train ticket so that he can go home, and $5 bill. मतलब $5 दिए उसको, रुपीज नहीं, $5. and the government was expecting that he will rehabilitate and he will be a good citizen and he will live with prosperity, means happiness. Rehabilitate means to become the part of the society again. You know, criminals, they are in jail for a long time, so they are not the part of a society. But again, when they come out, they change themselves and they can be a part of the society once again. Understood? That is called rehabilitate. To improve and to become a normal person, honest man. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So the
Yes.
law means government was expecting that he will be a good citizen, he will live with prosperity. Mr. James Valentine walked out in the sunshine, means now he is free. He is going home. Very leisurely means in a very relaxed way. He boarded his train. He already had the ticket, and after 3 hours he reached in a little town where he lived, where his house was. First of all, where did he go? He went to the cafe. And who was the owner? Mike Dolan. And he shook hands with Mike. Maybe Mike was his friend. लेकिन वो जो कैफे था
Yes.
वहीं पे उसका घर था. कैफे के बाजू में staircase थी. Just above the staircase, means climbing the staircase, he had his room. So he went to the cafe of Mike Dolan. He climbed the stairs. Who had the key of his house? Mike Dolan. So he got the key
Sir, but
and
why he was arrested?
he was arrested because he was in the business of robbery.
Ah. Okay,
You
sir.
are still confused?
Yeah, Sahil.
No, sir, I have forgotten.
Sahil, ask me what is your confusion?
There is no confusion.
Sufyan will solve it. He had raised hand.
Sir, there is no confusion or doubt.
Okay.
Okay.
So Jimmy got the key of the house from Mike Dolan. He went upstairs and everything was as it is. जब वो arrest हुआ था before a few months. We don't know how many months. Really, we don't know. They have not given in the lesson. Maybe 6 months, 10 months, 11 months, we don't know. Maybe more than a year. But today, when he comes back from jail, he sees that everything in the house is as it is. Means he was living alone. He did not have a family. Everything was as it is. What was there on the floor? उसके घर के floor पे क्या था?
Sir,
Band
do
price with collar button. It was there, which was torn from the detective's shirt when they overpowered Jimmy to arrest him. Did you understand this line? Can you explain?
Yes.
Explain.
Keep line.
See, when Jimmy was
On the
arrested,
floor was the steel band price collar button that had
how
been
did it
torn
come?
from. But when he was arrested, band price collar.
Yes. Ben Price
What is
had to
collar
forcefully
button?
arrest him because Jimmy was trying to run away, and Ben Price had to catch him. So they quarreled. They had a fight, and then Ben Price overpowered Jimmy. मतलब उसको control में कर लिया. But in that fight, that collar button of Ben Price had fallen down on the floor. It was still as it is. Means there was no movement in the house for so many months.
Okay.
Eminent detective means what is eminent? Respected. Because
Eminent.
Ben Price was a
Eminent,
respected detective. Respected,
Respected, yes.
yes, because he was well-known detective. And you know,
So what is
he-
written tempered?
हाँ अभी वो आएगा. Let me explain.
MEDEHADBY ऐसा कुछ लिखा है,
हाँ है.
बराबर नहीं लिखा नीचे मीनिंग्स में.
Yes, I'm explaining. Okay. Then some people have folding bed. We can
Yes,
take out a panel. We can keep pillows, blankets, and all
yes.
that thing, and we can again close it.
Mm,
Have you seen that folding bed? Has anyone got it?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
I have seen.
Can you show me, switching on your camera, how to open that panel? That kind of folding bed Jimmy had. So he opened it and he took out one suitcase from that panel. It was very dusty because so many months he had not visited his place. Anyone who can show me that kind of sliding bed, folding bed? है अभी किसी के पास?
मुझे तो
Nice.
नहीं आता.
Okay, later on, no problem. So Jimmy took out that suitcase, which was very dusty. It was very dirty because so many months, if you don't touch something, it will be very dirty. Then he opened that suitcase and he was gazing fondly, means he loved that things. What was there inside the suitcase? All the tools which he
Tools.
used for robbery. I had shown you yesterday.
Yes.
Remember?
Pliers,
Yes,
crowbar,
sir.
drill bits, drill
See,
machine,
all these tools,
and this is
names are given.
और क्या
Drills,
पेचे को क्या
punches,
बोलते हैं?
braces and mates, jimmies, clamps, augers,
Sir, what is
all
it
these.
called?
What?
ड्रिल मशीन के बाजू में था वो क्या था? इंग्लिश में
We
क्या
are
बोलते
going
हैं?
to write the names of all that
Oh,
tools.
screwdriver. It is
We are going to
screwdriver.
write the names of all that tools. That is
Okay.
our exercise of textbook. But right now, you remember the names. Will you?
Yes, I will. Jimmy's name was, he changed his name and Mr.
But
Snake.
where did that come? We are reading this one. Made of specially tempered steel. Tempered means what? See, you might have seen in factories. First, the steel is heated and then it is made cold to give it a shape.
His
तो वो
name
स्टील
was
में से
Ralph D.
different tools बनता
Spencer.
है. Where are you, Sahil? I am explaining something else.
Oh, sorry.
Did you all understand what is the meaning of tempered?
Yes. Yeah.
First, the steel is
No, sir.
heated. कच्चा steel होता है, raw. It is heated and then it is cooled down to give it a shape और different tools बनते हैं उसमें से.
Yes.
1 minute.
हाँ सर, मैंने देखा है एक मूवी में.
Which movie?
एक साउथ की थी सर, साउथ मूवी थी. साउथ केठा ही नाम था बस.
Sorry, I'm muting it because of my health. Sometimes in between I sneeze, so I have to mute. Okay. So you understood how were these tools made? ये tools कैसे बनाए थे? Tempered steel में से. And what is the meaning of this? 2 or 3 novelties. Jimmy was proud of himself because of these 2 or 3
टूल्स
novelties.
बनाए थे अपने हाथों से.
Yes. उसने खुद अपने हाथों से टूल्स बनाए थे जो मार्केट में अवेलेबल नहीं थे. Because he was an expert. He was an expert burglar. So he had gone so deep in the business of burglary that he invented tools for burglary, for cracking safes. So he was proud of himself. So after half an
चोरी
hour,
करने वाले
he went downstairs. After half an hour, he went downstairs. Now he was wearing tasteful clothes. Means, did he taste it by eating it?
No,
No.
no, अच्छे से prepare means.
Tasteful clothes means handsome looking clothes and well fitting clothes. And what was there in his hand? That dusted and cleaned suitcase. So he cleaned that
Suitcase.
suitcase, he cleaned all the tools, and now he is going somewhere. Do you think he's going for a new robbery?
No, he's going to Elmore Bank.
No, no.
No, he was going to change his name. Ralph D.
No,
Spencer.
no. Still, he will steal. Still, he will do this robbery business. He will continue in the same town.
Yes,
So I think, did we read this yesterday?
yes, we have read.
Okay. So after 1 week, see, Jimmy Valentine was released from the jail. And after 1 week, what happened? There was a neat job of safe burglary done in nearby town. Means again one burglary was done just in the nearby town where Jimmy lived. Safe burglary means there was no clue left. No clue for catching the criminal. Then again, one robbery was reported elsewhere. Means और भी कई robbery हुई. Again, followed by another after 2 weeks. Again, after 15 days, one more robbery. So total 3 robberies. Just within a week after his release. So now the losses were high enough to bring the matter up to the Ben Bryce's class of work. Do you understand this line?
No,
Yes.
Anyone?
yes, yes.
No,
Ben
sir.
Rice was a detective and he loses his.
See, listen to me. Normally we see any cases are solved by police. But if it is a big case, then who comes in between?
Detective.
CBI.
Yes.
Sorry, just a minute. So I'll read that paragraph.
The lesson was now high
Yes, sir.
enough to bring
The loses. Sir, the loses वाला ना.
Yes.
Paragraph.
After a week after his release, there was a neat job of safe burglary done in a nearby town. There was no clue left. Then a similar low robbery was reported else, followed by another after 2 weeks. The losses were now high enough to bring the matter up
Losses.
to Ben Price's class of work. By comparing notes, a remarkable similarity in the methods of the burglaries was noticed. Ben Price investigated the scenes of the robberies and was heard to remark Jim Valentine had resumed business.
Okay. So now, as I asked you, when the cases are high profile, then it is given to CBI. But normal cases are solved by the police, right?
Yes.
Same way, when the losses were high, means 3 robberies were conducted. So now the case was handed over to Ben Price. Ben Price तो already जिमी को जानता है.
Yes.
So Ben Price started investigation, and when he investigated the crime scene, he saw that the robberies are conducted in the same style. So the robber is one. And so he understood that this is none other than Jimmy Valentine. He has resumed his business, means he has started the business of robbery once again. He is not an honest man yet.
पहली बार पहली रॉबरी तो आप करने का मन नहीं होता है ना उसको.
Yes, continue reading.
Sir,
A young lady. One afternoon, Jimmy Valentine climbed out of the train in a little town called Elmore. It looked like an athletic young senior just home from college. A young lady crossed the street, passed him in the corner, and entered the door, over which was the sign, the Elmore Bank. Jimmy Valentine looked into her eyes, forgot what he was, and became another man. She lowered her eyes and colored slightly. Young man of dreamy style and looks were scarce in Elmore. Sir, see what is written tempered, so Mdehady. Okay.
It is not printed properly. It is written made hard by.
Okay, sir.
So lesson number 2 की PDF डाल दी
Copy.
सर
Yes. Sir has put.
Continue.
Sufyan
Okay. Jimmy collared a boy on the steps of the bank and asked him, "Isn't that young lady Polly Simpson?"
Okay. So now, see, three robberies were conducted by Jimmy. Now he has to change his address because he understood that police will catch me or Ben Price will catch me. So now, one afternoon, Jimmy climbed out of the train in a little town called Elmore. तो वो Elmore चला गया to hide. Then, how did he look? See, Jimmy Valentine was a handsome man, just like an athletic, a sports person. He was young, like a college going student. He looked very young and very energetic and very handsome. Then, as soon as he was in Elmore, he was walking on the street. One lady passed from there. Please don't chat. He saw that one lady passing from the street, and that lady entered the door. And what was written above the door? The Elmore Bank. Means that lady entered the Elmore Bank. Then Jimmy Valentine looked into the eyes of that lady. He forgot that he was a thief, he was a burglar. And suddenly, that was a magical moment. It was a miracle that from that moment onwards, Jimmy decided not to do anything wrong and to be honest person. He became another man. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So that girl was feeling shy.
Yes, sir,
She lowered
understood.
her eyes. The girl also looked into Jimmy's eyes.
Sir, I
Colored
did.
slightly. Colored means
No,
felt shy.
I will wait.
Her eyes were red and she felt shy. So they both were looking at each other. And young men of Jimmy's style and looks were scarce in Elmore. Scarce means very less. Means handsome men like Jimmy were not there in Elmore. Very few were there. And Jimmy was one of them. Then there was a boy who was standing nearby. Jimmy called that boy, "Come here. Is that lady Polly Simpson? Isn't she Polly Simpson?" So Jimmy actually wanted to know the name of the lady. तो उसने कोई भी नाम बोल दिया. Is she Polly Simpson? He asked the boy who was standing nearby. Understood?
Yes, understood.
Sufyan, will you read?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I read.
No,
Sir,
said the
I
boy.
read.
Please.
read करो
No, said the boy. He's Annabelle Adams. Her father owns
Annabelle
his
Adams.
band. Annabelle Adams. Her father owns his band. Jimmy then went to the Planters Hotel and registered as Ralph D. Spencer and engaged a room. He opened a shoe store and secured a good run of trade. Socially, he was a success and made many friends. He met Miss Annabel Adams and became more and more captivated by her charms. By the end of the year, Mr. Rob Spencer had won the respect of the community. His shoe store was flourishing and he and Annabelle were engaged to be married in 2 weeks.
Okay. So now what happened? That boy who was standing, he said, no, she is not Polly Simpson. Her name is Annabelle Adams. And her father is the owner of the Elmore Bank. This Elmore Bank. So, Jimmy went, where did Jimmy go first? Planters Hotel. वो होटल का नाम है. Got it? Hotel's name. Jimmy went to Planters Hotel and he registered a room. He engaged a room, means he booked a room. But क्या नाम लिखा है उसने? Ralph D. Spencer.
Ralph D.
Means,
Spencer.
yes, he adopted a new name in Elmore. Ralph D. Spencer. And you know what? He stopped burglaries. He opened a shoe store, shoe shop, and he secured a good run of trade. Means his business was really doing well. And socially, he was a success and made many friends. So he was for 1 year, he was in Elmore. और वहाँ पे भी उसके friends बन गए. But now he was living an honest life. And he became successful businessman also. And he also met this lady, Annabelle Adams, and they both came closer. And he was captivated, means he was attracted by her charms, by her attractiveness. And by the end of 1 year, Ralph D. Spencer was a successful businessman in the community in Elmore. Everyone respected him because he was a shoe store owner. His business
Businessman.
was flourishing. Means
Yes.
his business was growing more and more. It was touching skies. And finally, he convinced Annabelle, and both of them got engaged. And within 2 weeks, means within 15 days, they were going to get married. But there will be a twist in the story. You know who will come here? Searching for Jimmy.
Ben Price.
Ben
Ben Price आ
Price.
जाएगा. Will he let him get married or will he arrest him?
No, he will arrest him.
No arrest.
And Jimmy also has the suitcase. That is the proof that he was a burglar.
तो सूटकेस होता है तो सब क्या ब्लगलरी होते हैं?
But tools are there in it. And Annabelle Adams and her family doesn't know that his real name is Jimmy Valentine.
Where is this real
ये
story?
तो जिमी ने दूसरा और कोई नाम बता दिया.
Real story or not, that you will decide when we complete. But it's not, is it not interesting?
Very, very interesting.
Interesting.
इंटरेस्टिंग.
See, do you know what is this in yellow color?
क्या है?
This is a letter,
Letter.
like letter writing.
Letter.
किसने लिखा है पता है?
डियर ओल्ड प्ला.
Ben.
Who has
Oh,
written, you
your
know?
old friend too.
Jimmy ने Jimmy Valentine
See,
लिखा है.
you read this, you will understand.
किसने?
Read this, understand, you will
Okay.
understand.
Dear old Carl. One day Jimmy sat down in his room and wrote a letter which he mailed into safe address of one of his old friends. Dear
So
old
Jimmy has
pal,
written
I went.
this letter to his old friend.
Tell me.
क्योंकि उसको जो tools है ना उसके पास जो suitcase में, now
Yes.
the tools are useless for him, so he wants to give it to his friends, one of his friends, क्योंकि उसका friend अभी burglar है, so he can use it. Read the letter, Sahil.
Correct.
रेड.
Yes, sir.
Do read.
Dear old pal, I want you to be a
Sullivan's.
क्लाउस फ्रेंड का नाम होगा.
Sullivan's place, a little rock, next Wednesday night at
Wednesday.
9 o'clock. I want you to wind up some little matters for me, and also I want to make you a present of my kit of tools. I know you will be glad to get them. You could not duplicate the lot of $1,000. Say, Billy, I have quite the old business. Quit the old business a year ago. I have got a nice store. I am making a honest living, and I am going to marry the finest girl on earth 2 weeks from now. I tell you, Billy, she is an angel. She believes in me, and I would not do another crooked thing for the whole world. Your old friend Jimmy.
Understood the letter? Explain.
Sir, we
Yes,
have to
sir.
write this letter. Sunny sir.
No. No.
Okay.
What is in the letter? What is Jimmy telling his friend? और उसको क्या दे देना है? लेटर के साथ कौन सी चीज देगा वो?
उसको वो सब टूल सूटकेस पूरा।
Yes. But why is he giving to friend?
अब उसके कोई काम का नहीं है।
So what will his friend do then with the tools?
He will rob.
Yes,
अब
it
वो
is
रॉबिंग
burglary.
करेगा, और क्या?
Yes. But why is he giving it back? What is the reason?
सर फिर से
Because he
रॉबिंग
has
करेगा,
got a
फिर से
store. He will live an honest life.
बस।
Yes. He has
Yes.
written
Yes.
that I'm
He has
going to marry
wrote
the
that
finest
he has
girl on the
quit.
earth, and because of her, Jimmy has changed. Otherwise, he was an expert burglar.
घर बाहर पूरा से बदल गया।
And some tools in the kit were so precious that even for $1,000, no one can make that tools because only Jimmy can make that tools. Still, he gave away
ऐसा है?
because he was going to get married to Annabelle Adams and he did not want to do anything wrong.
सर फिर भी
After
उसे
that.
काम आएंगे वो टूल्स।
Yes. अभी तो वो नेक्स्ट वेंसडे का बोला उसने.
एनाबेल एडम्स की सिस्टर की
मेरे
लड़की
बंगले पर
सेफ
उसका
में
फ्रेंड
फंस
आ
गई
गया
थी
नहीं?
लॉक में,
Yes.
तो उसको वो टूल्स काम आए।
Yes. So did you enjoy this? We will continue.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We will
sir.
continue.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Okay, sir.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day. Take care.
तो फिर
Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Thanks.
नाइस डे।